Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today we're going to be designing a home in Minecraft. And don't mind the echo, I know it's a bit more echoey than usual. It's because I just took down the old curtains today to put up my new ones, and yeah, that's why there's an echo. But without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. Okay, so we're in the game now, and I've kind of chosen where we're going to build a house. I want it beside the beach. So we're going to be building it here, and it's going to be fun because we've got like loads of different levels and stuff, which I'm really excited about. It's just going to be a small, simple, modern home. Oh my god, what did I press? Small, simple, modern home. Yeah, like, look at the size of this thing so far. So I'm probably the first thing I should probably do is level out the area where I'm going to put my house. So I'll probably put it at like the bank corner here. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so it's gotten like really dark all of a sudden, and like, I don't know what that's about, but I'm not very excited about it. Let's continue building our home. Now where are we? I want to face it this way. So I want like a pathway going like down into the beach. So what materials do we want to use? I want it like to be white, maybe a bit of wood tones as well. I mean, I suppose the foundation should be, oh, this one is nice. Yes, definitely going to do in quartz. And definitely going to do in quartz stairs. Oh look, we could do oh, we could do it like nice colors. Nice, okay. Okay guys, this is actually like really exciting because there's actually a lot of like selection here, which I like. So I think I want to kind of do the living room like hanging out over the edge, which will look really cool, I think. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, we have our living room. Thank Jesus. Okay, now is that big enough to think? Okay, and then we'll do like another split level down here. You know what, actually, I'm thinking, right? I'm just get rid of these flowers. I'm thinking of doing like 3 kind of split levels, so like a few different, yeah. Okay, so let me just go across here. A new day, another continuation of this build. I mean, I feel like this house is gonna be like way too big. It's only gonna be 1 bedroom because I am not sitting here building like a mansion, especially as my first time like building in this game. I love how I said I was going building a mansion, yet like, look at the size of this thing so far. Okay guys, so my game froze there for a second, which just trying not to panic. But we're back in game now. And oh, perfect timing, it's just time for bed again. Right, so well, we've all got done so far. We've actually done a lot. We actually have done a lot. So I suppose we'll just continue. It's just like building with blocks, isn't it? Like, it really is. Did any of you used to play Lego when you were younger? I did, but like, I didn't like it. It confused me too much. It was too much like small pieces. I didn't like it, and I didn't have the patience for it either. Like, I have like no patience whatsoever. Okay guys, so let me give you a quick tour of this place. Okay guys, so this is the entryway. I wanted to kind of create, it to be like a bit darker at first, and then when you come in, you're just like flooded with light from like left to right, but panoramic views going like all the way around, and for it to look very solid and just very simple. So we have to use our imagination a lot in this game because it's all building blocks. So this is like the kitchen area with massive island. So when you're up here cooking, you can see like into the living area, like out onto the ocean and into the forest. Beautiful. So, and then we can make our way into the open plan living area. We have a built-in, you know, custom made couch and a fireplace in the middle there, which is really nice. I then put in the glass windows that come with the game because, you know, oh, look at this, the sun is setting right now. This is like the view I'm on about, like, is that not just amazing? But we didn't put in the glass things because I don't like how it looks and it throws off the view. But then, over here we go down this hallway, and this is to the master suite. So you come down these stairs, there's another window here on your left, looking out into like the little lake over there. Then you come in here to the bedroom, and you get like an amazing view like when the sun is setting like here, which is gorgeous, you know, and you can see the ocean as well. The bed is on this wall over here, and yeah, it's another little square window over here because like the views are just like unreal. They're very nice views. Okay guys, so that's me building a house in Minecraft. Now I'm not an architect, I don't claim to be, I'm an interior designer, and I mean I know there wasn't really a lot of furnishing in this because, you know, I had some technical problems with my, you know, recording software, but that's, you know, okay, we'll get past that. But that's it for me. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget that also don't forget to hit that little notification bell just so you're notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.